Hi, my name is Nastma Ulhaque. I'm from SE 4402. The topic I'm going to talk about now is that animal testing should be banned. For a long time, animals have been used as testing tools for various products, such as cosmetics and drugs, before being used in humans. I totally agree with that topic. The main reason why I think that animal testing should be banned is because, according to Cruelty Free International, more than 500,000 animals are used in testing worldwide each year, although non-animal testing alternatives are available. Non-animal testing was found to be more effective, more accurate, and faster, proving that animal testing is failed. Another reason why according to cell biologist Robin Lovelbid of the MRC National Institute for Medical Research in London, 94% of drugs that pass animal testing fail in humans. However, the animals experience suffering and pain even after being given anesthesia. Animals do not have the ability to express pain and suffering. This inability is then exploited when testing on animals. And in conclusion, I totally agree that animal testing should be banned because animals that are used as experimental materials do not get a proper place to live, and the results obtained from animal testing are also claimed to be accurate. That's enough for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.